If you've been wondering how to remove a favorite filter in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can clean up your favorites panel and remove any filter you no longer want saved. This is a simple fix, but if you've got a lot of filters favorited, knowing where to click can save you time and keep your workspace organized. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and make sure you're in your project or on the main editing screen where your filters are available. In the top left media menu, click Filters. This will open the full filters section inside CapCut, where you can browse different styles, effects, and saved favorites. Once the filters panel is open, look at the left sidebar and select the favorites category folder. This folder contains all of the filters you've previously starred, so this is the exact place where you'll find the one you want to remove. Now, move your mouse over the filter thumbnail that you want to take out of your favorites. When you hover over it, CapCut will show you the controls for that specific filter. This is important because the remove option won't always be obvious until you hover your cursor over the thumbnail. Next, click the yellow star icon in the top left corner of that thumbnail. The star icon is what marks the filter as a favorite, so clicking it again will unfavorite it. As soon as you do that, the filter will immediately disappear from your favorites panel. That's really all there is to it. The filter has now been removed from your saved favorites, and your list should look cleaner and easier to manage. If you ever want to add it back later, you can always return to the same area and star it again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut editing guides, beginner-friendly tutorials, and quick troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.